Do you want to increase your income and achieve financial freedom? What if I told you that trading could be your key to making that happen? Trading isn't gambling. It's a skill you can master. And with the right knowledge, you can create new opportunities every day. Why should you start trading today? 1. The financial markets are full of opportunities, but only for those who know how to use them. 2. With modern digital platforms, you can trade from anywhere in the world. 3. By managing risk and making smart decisions, you can achieve sustainable profits. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes knowledge, patience. The right strategy. You don't need a huge investment to start trading. Here's how to begin. Learn the basics. Watch tutorials and read about the markets. Start with a demo account. Practice before investing real money. Choose the right platform. Find the best tools to support your trading journey. Develop your strategy. Don't trade randomly. Rely on market analysis. The key to success? Risk management and consistency. Opportunities don't wait, so why should you? Trading in 2025 is bigger than ever. With the right knowledge, discipline, and tools, you can take control of your financial future. Follow us for more expert tips and strategies. Fire. Are you ready to start trading but don't know which platform to choose? With so many options available, finding the right trading platform can make a huge difference in your success. Today we'll explore some of the best platforms and their key features. Here are some of the most popular trading platforms in 2025. Binance, best for cryptocurrency trading, low fees, and advanced tools. eToro, perfect for beginners, with copy trading to follow expert traders. MetaTrader 4 and 5, MT4/MT5, ideal for forex and stock trading with powerful charting tools. Robinhood, great for commission-free stock and crypto trading, easy to use for beginners. TD Ameritrade offers advanced trading features, analysis tools, and education resources. Each platform has its own advantages, so choose based on your needs and experience level. Imagine having the power to make money anytime, anywhere. Trading is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, but only if you know how to do it right. Want to learn the secrets to making huge profits? Let's get started. Blast off. Want to succeed in trading? Here's the most important advice you'll ever hear. Discipline is the key. Stick to your strategy. Don't let emotions control your trades. Manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Learn from mistakes. Every loss is a lesson to grow stronger. Success doesn't happen overnight, but consistent, smart decisions will lead you to financial freedom. Stay focused, stay patient, and keep trading smart. Did you know there are different types of trading? Day trading, buy and sell within a single day. Swing trading, hold trades for days or weeks. Scalping, quick profits from small price moves. Long-term investing, hold assets for months or years. Which style suits you? Start trading today.